Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. And right here we've got this lever. In order to use front wipers, you can push it upwards once, twice, or 3 times to use it at different speed, or you can push it downwards once. And now, when you've done it, you've set automatic front wipers. Now they will work automatically. To disable front wipers, set it to 0 position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.